Stop using arrays for everything. Tuples exist for a reason. The biggest difference is that tuples have a fixed length, while arrays can grow or shrink at runtime. When you declare a tuple in TypeScript, you're saying this will always have exactly this many elements. TypeScript enforces that at compile time, giving you a more predictable data structure. Tuples also let you mix different types at specific positions. A regular array in TypeScript expects all elements to share the same type. But a tuple can hold a string, then a number, then a boolean. Each position has its own type contract. This is what makes tuples heterogeneous. A great real-world example is a function that returns multiple values, like React's useStateHook, which returns a value in a setter function. You could also use tuples for x and y coordinates, or for a database row where each column has a distinct type. Finally, using a tuple signals intent to other developers. It tells them, this structure is fixed. Don't push or splice. Even without a comment, the type signature itself communicates that this data has a specific, unchanging shape. Use tuples for fixed length, mixed type structured data, and leave arrays for dynamic, homogeneous collections. Follow for more TypeScript interview tips. Want to nail questions like this in your next interview? Interview Mentor gives you hands-on practice with real questions. Every answer gets a grade with specific, personalized feedback. Track your progress across topics and difficulty levels.